So as we get into the holidays, we have our clients with maybe their summer bobs growing out, and it's time to give them some kind of blowout for holiday parties and that kind of thing. So I would love to share with you a quick way to give those bobs a great fluffy, bouncy blowout with some movement and kind of an effortless look. So the products we chose to use here, we started with Osis Upload to give us some really soft, silky volume and to give our round brush some like beautiful slip. Then we followed that up with Osis Volume Up for some great root hold. And then we started out with a rough dry using a vent brush, blow drying everything up, encouraging as much root lift as possible. Then we go in with our round brush to really start to create that movement. You can see how the volume up really supports the root lift that we're looking for. And from there, as we get to our top section, I use some Velcro rollers, great easy little trick to encourage even more volume right around the part. In the front, I blow dried everything forward and back to encourage all of that extra movement. When everything was done, I went in with my blow dryer on the cold setting and hit everything with some cool air to really set it into place. As some finishing touches, I used my flat boar bristle brush to really brush through, incorporate all of these individual sections together, and finished off with some Osis elastic for just the right amount of hold. So here's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this bouncy blowout on this bob length hair. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.